This is St. Jacob's Church. I'm going to be very quiet because everything's super quiet in here. So if I talk, it'll really echo through this building. So this is St. Jacob's. Apparently you can go up the tower, but I'm not sure if it's open today. It is Sunday, so wow, look at that organ. Wow. From the sign outside, reading the Roman numerals, this place was built in 1361. Excuse me, at least part of it. I'm not sure how much of this has been rebuilt, but it's all been repainted. And obviously the floor is new. The pews look pretty new as well. Looks like the old floor though. It's a pretty old floor. Wow. Nice. Beautiful stained glass windows. Beautiful organ chamber. Okay. Well, I'm going to see if I can go up the spire. Not sure if I'm able to, but I'm going to try. All right.